Congratulations!
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Sige, anong sasabihin mo, kuya?
To Miss Jemima Bernardo and Edwin Pascual.
Practice po, Pastor.
Sige na.
Sasabihin
Practice ka.
From Jesus Lord Taiwan Junan Church, Ate Jem and Kuya Edwin. Edwin. This is our message for you. Our pero mag-isa lang yun. Pero surprise. Ayan. There's nothing more we can pray for you than God will become the center of your marriage, that you might have a strongly binded married life. Ayan. Papasok na kayo sa panibagong status ng buhay na kung saan dito nyo masubukan yung magsama ng Panginoon sa inyong pagkasama. Inulit ko lang. God bless you. Ano po ang sabi ninyo? From Jesus is Lord Taiwan Junan Church, this is our message for you, Ate Jen and Kuya Edwin. Edwin ako ba yan? Hindi ako yan. Wala lagi. Hindi ako yan. From Jesus is Lord Taiwan Junan Church, this is our message for you, Ate Jen and Kuya Edwin. There's nothing more we can pray for you than you to have a strongly binded married life. Ngayon po sa pagpasok nyo sa panibagong estado ng buhay nyo, napatuloy nyo maranasan ang pagsama ng Panginoon at yung pag-ibig ng Diyos na siya maging sentro ng inyong samahan mo. Ito po ang mensahe namin para sa inyo. Congratulations!